Welcome back. Today we're going to try to do an install video. About a year ago I bought a Hogworkz tour pack and I really like it. I think I'm going to run it all the time. I don't typically leave my tour pack on all the time. While I was at VAM, my front turn signal lights, one of them burnt out. So I decided I was going to get the front turn signal lights and the tour pack light from Hogworkz. The reason I went with Hogworkz is because it's going to match the tour pack that I bought from them. Let's get this thing installed and see how it's going to look. The first thing you got to do is you got to find center of this tour pack. So what I did was, there's no straight lines, so I decided to make a mark right where it starts to straighten out on both sides. Measured it, it's 19 inches, so I made a mark here at 9.5 inches. So now it comes with this template and it has sticky tape on it. We need to line it up. They want you to line it up to the center line. I made a mark already with the magic marker, and they want you to just run it just underneath that little lip there. So let's get that installed. All right, so they say they want you to just run it just underneath this lip, right in the center here. And we're going to try and make this the same distance all the way around. All right, that looks good. Now with the template installed, they want you to drill some pilot holes here in the center. I'm going to leave the template on. We're going to drill the pilot holes. Now they want you to drill a 7/32 hole . Now this hole here has to be 3/4 inch. So I don't have a 3/4 inch bit, so I'm going to use my step bit. Okay, everything looks like it's lined up, so just gonna try to start some of the screws. Alright, so we got all the screws in. It's tight. Straight. We can drill the hole for the wire. Alright, so they want you to drill through here, but I don't want to do that because I don't want to see the wire coming out there, so I'm going to drill it down through the bottom. It'll be a 5/8 hole. Alright, so that'll fit 5/8. So it comes with this rubber grommet on here, split in half. Okay, so the grommet's in. So once you get the wire installed, there's a little notch on the wire, and that lines up with the notch inside. You just push that in, tighten it down. Alright, let's get the seat off. Figure out which wire we gotta use here. They give you 2 wires. Okay, we gotta go. Alright. So I think I figured everything out. Make sure everything's in. So the wiring, it comes with a Y. So this is the wire coming from, let's see, yeah. This is the wire from your bike. This is your brake light wire. And then these 2 Y out, one goes to the tourpack and one goes to your brake lights. Alright, so they're all installed. It was an easy install. I like them. I think they look good. So like I was telling you, I had to do the front run and turn lights because one of them burnt out. I went with the amber run and turn. I'm going to try these out, see how I like them. And that's probably going to be it for this video.